voice as the sound of the dulcimer sweet is heard through the shadow of death. The cedars of Lebanon bow at his feet, the air is perfumed with his breath. His words like a fountain of righteousness flow that waters the garden of grace. The source of salvation all people shall know and bask in the smile of his face. The robes of his righteousness, who can describe? Their purity words would define. The hands to his presence their beauties ascribe, and earth is made rich by his smile. The warmth of his mercy in excellence bright shines down from his kingdom above. Like morning he fills all creation with light and comforts his people with love. He looks and 10,000s of angels rejoice, and myriads wait for his word. He speaks and eternity filled with his voice re-echoes the praise of the Lord. Dear shepherd, I hear and will follow thy call. I know the sweet sound of thy voice. Restore and protect me, for thou art my